So thank you so much, Munachi. You are here to support mommy.
Sometimes I wonder why some rich people know they have borders. I been the things and I just wickedness or instruction where they come from their parents. Now I say don't become a man. I come to see why some rich people know they have. Not because of the way some people treat them. You made a funny G bulldoze, you have your phone. Things they happen. It happen, it happen, it happen. Every day by day. Things they happen. It happen, it happen, it happen. Every day at night. Things they happen. It happen, it happen, it happen. Every day by day. Things they happen. It happen, it happen. Every day by day. Somebody where you pick from backyard. Now we come the brag like Zena, him gets the yard. For peace to reign, make you give 100 yards. Some people don't sabi waiting appreciation mean. Now good morning, they attract, how are you? Now only mad person, they break the ladder, he use crime. Things they happen, it happen, it happen, it happen. Every day by day, things they happen, it happen, it happen, it happen. Every day at night. Things that happen, it happen, it happen, it happen every day by day. Things that happen, it happen, it happen, it happen every day by day. Who gets ears make it hear, who no get make it rest. No be every child you see when they cry, you go carry. Sometimes it good, make you know they do they laugh. My person when they see your teeth go say your mouth they smell. See monkey where you they give banana. Now we build the food, he come, they throw you stone. Things they happen, it happen, it happen, it happen. Every day by day. Things they happen, it happen, it happen, it happen. Every day at night. Things they happen, it happen, it happen, it happen. Every day by day. Things they happen, it happen, it happen. Every day by day.
Hold it together.
Mr. C.
And present it to them, present it to them. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Thank you so very much. Say good morning, everybody. Say love is a beautiful thing. Say my name is Muna Chuku. 9. Okay. All right. Let's get it back a little bit. Good morning, everybody. We bring you greetings from KO family. Yes, Munachi is learning how to market products. And yes, you are right. She's very, very much smart. Yes. You love it. You still want to dance. Okay. After this video, you will dance. Okay? I will put for you to dance for them. I know you want to entertain them. Okay? You will go to your page, MDD, or you want to go to KO family? Okay, KO family. So Munachi prefer to come to KO family, and she will come later to do her dance for you guys, okay? Thank you all so much. I bring you greetings. I hope you guys had a very beautiful evening. This is Jimra Beauty Concept. You all know about this Jimra Beauty Concept. After most times I see many people are asking, how do you keep your figure this way? After 4 children, how do you keep your figure this way? I still want to remind you guys that I'm still the brand ambassador to Jimra Beauty Concept. So this is the flat tummy which I use all the time for my belly, okay? I also started using beds as well. So you try and eat a lot of vitamins. You cannot be using this flat tummy product and then you are eating pounded yam too much or too much of carbohydrate, fat, and all those too much. Like eating late at night makes your belly to be very big, okay? So you have to avoid it if you really want Jimra Beauty Concept for the flat tummy. It is very, very, very effective. And we have 14 days slim me down. 14 days slim me down is for the people who are a little bit bigger than me and you want to have lesser kilo than you are having right now. Please kindly contact Jimra Beauty Concept. The contact is on the caption of this video, okay? The contact is there. Jimra Beauty Concept also leave us with libido powder. if you are not doing jiggy jiggy like it anyway, like as me and my husband, they do a 24 hours, say maybe you get a CB for your area, just go ahead and use this sweet in middle libido booster powder. It is also very, very good. Just there is no harm in trying. Go ahead and contact her. Give it a try. All right. So actually, I am using all this oil, cuff, butt, hip. Okay, for people maybe say they be like me, maybe say you for like me, your hip come out some more. Go ahead and contact Jimra Beauty Concept. Okay, this one. I present your own now. Say it. Say it. Say what you were saying just now. Okay. All right. This one. I think this one you are. Monachi want to present this one. This one is ovulation booster. Tell them that this is ovulation booster. If they want to have a baby like you, tell them. Tell them. If you want to have a baby like me, go ahead. Yeah? Ovulation booster. She also have ovulation booster, just like Monachi was trying to introduce it to you. Marketer of the year. Oh, thank you so much. Mavis, thank you. Okay. Monachi is the marketer of the year. Jimra Beauty Concept also have for breast enlargement. You just have to be using the oil to massage it. Okay. This is also for the boot and hip. It comes together. It comes together. All right. It comes together. So go ahead, contact Jimra Beauty Concept. These are the things and so many more she have for sale. Contact her and communicate with her the things that you actually need. Thank you all so much. I have a message for my wonderful sister, a very beautiful young lady, very hardworking. She's very intelligent, black beauty, and I love her guts. I love what she's doing. Love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. You all know love is what we are sharing here on our page, in our platform, in our own life. The love was already too much in our own life. If you guys see that picture, our admin posted yesterday in our group. These are the pictures we'll be making then, even before we decided to come on live video. Me and my husband and many other things we are doing too much. Monachi, please. We're going to talk about it a little bit later. Can you keep quiet? So she's nobody else than Mary Edoz. Yes, Mary Edoz is a very beautiful woman. She's very intelligent. She's a nice person. She's a strong woman. She's a nice person. Yeah, and she made a video with KO family yesterday. Yes, and I watched the video. Someone forwarded it to me, and I watched that particular video, and I was like, immediately I saw the face. I said, who would be this person way fine like fresh tomato, fine anyhow? She's so beautiful. And I thought I should listen more, and I realized that, okay, she's trying to talk about the braided hair, which I presented the other time, and she was like, I'm supposed to help Africans by telling them to braid the hair and bring to me for sale. And me, they go AliExpress, go they buy hair, go they sell. Okay, it is just a question of misunderstanding. She misunderstood it all. Okay, and I want to use this opportunity to tell her, I don't know if you guys know this song. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you lately that I love you? This song is directly to Mary Edoz. I want to tell you first and foremost that I truly, truly love you. I love you so much. You are my sister. You are my friend. You are my honey pie. You are my sweet potato. You are my bananas, my omali changwa. You are my what did they call her? Flavor. Flavor, they use and sing. Okay. Flavor say you be banana, fine banana or fine tomato. Tomato. Say you be fine tomato. So my sister, you are very beautiful. You are cute. I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay. Let me clarify that. The point is that I do not sell hair. I don't go also AliExpress. Don't get it twisted. I do not buy things from AliExpress. I do sometimes buy from Amazon. Yeah. But that particular braided wig, which I presented here, is not for me. Oh, I know they say here, not for me. If anybody thinks it's for me, how can I have so much stress? I will still go, they sell hair. They look for hair, come they sell again. I have too much stress. Come see my house. Me, I they look for worker. I cannot start looking for her again and start buying and start selling again. That will not be, not be juju be that. So it's not my hair. I'm actually helping someone to sell it, and I'm not collecting money for advert for this. Okay, I'm not collecting money. If you guys see like all those music we promote, we are doing it from the bottom of our hearts. Okay, and she made a mention that we are giving out 5,000 naira recharge card. Yes, if we don't have too much, we will give 5,000 naira recharge card. But you all know we are into charity organization. We are not bragging, we are helping. If you guys see this, the videos are there. We do send 200 euro to people, 100,000 naira, 50,000 naira. It reached a lot of people as well in US, in Nigeria, Jennifer. I don't have to mention their name. I don't have forgotten their names. You all know we are trying, okay? But it was just a misunderstanding. I think she didn't really know us that very, very much. But please, go and watch that video. I'm coming, okay? Let me clarify it is that even like Mr. C2, if you all know what we are doing for Mr. C2, we're not getting the money back. We are telling Mr. C2 that we are investing in you. The best investment you can ever do is to invest in human being. We are investing in Mr. C2 and we see him growing. He has a very nice voice. We are family here and we already told Mr. C2, immediately you start making money. We're going to take other people and start helping. We want Nigeria to be a better place. Not by telling my audience, do you make expression hair? Make expression hair and bring for me. Expression hair is good. If you wish, I can talk about it. But before I talk about it, you must bring me sample. I cannot just say, hey, one of my... There are some people, they will say, make I shout out their hair. They will send me picture. I can't just see picture. I will come, they tell more than 600,000 followers, say, he get one of my followers where they say, hey, go and buy from her. I can't just do that because I not see the hair from my hands. I not go fit talk about the product. I bought from this, our sister, and the hair is so soft. I know expression, guys. Okay, because my wonderful sister Mary Edoz is trying to say that is not original hair, that is the expression. Okay, yes, I understand her, but I know expression. All right, I know expression. This texture, is not like expression. I have it by myself. I'm wearing it. That is why if it cannot be expression, you know, expression gets its own texture. Okay, and then this braided wig, he also have his own this thing. Okay, so let me show you guys the hair she was talking about. So this is the wig. You all have been saying that I have been wearing it. So many people were actually asking, say, I want this kind of wig. They'll be inboxing me. That is the reason why I told the girl that sold it to me to bring it, let me advertise it for her. I'm not even advertising it really for her because she's not paying me for advertising it for her. I'm just helping her out to sell it. You understand? The person is here in Austria too. So she brought me the hair. And then I'm helping her to sell. That is all. Okay, that is all. I'm not into selling of hair, so people don't get it twisted. It's not enough to bring me to live video and talk whatever. Okay, I am just for clarification case reason. I am not into human hair, but if I still want to start selling, it's my business. It's my life if I want. But right now I am not doing that. I am just helping out. Okay, so we don't get it twisted. So my wonderful sister, kindly go and watch that video. Help her, view her, follow her, be kind. Her name on her page, her Facebook page name is Mary Edo Expression Hair. Okay, she said her expression hair is very nice. I haven't worn it and I haven't touched it, so for me to know the texture. But I believe her. Okay, so kindly go there and view her videos, follow her page. She's a nice person. She must be a nice person to bring me out on social media and discuss about me. Okay, she must be a nice person. All right, she must be a nice person to have done that. So kindly go there and show her some love. Love is a beautiful thing. All of us need it. Okay, thank you all so much. Thank you as you follow Mary Edo's page. Be kind. Just follow her. Buy her hair from her expression wig. At least go and watch how to make all those things. There are many people who might need it. Just watch her sew those hair. It's an handwork. Now handwork. Oh. Now handwork. People are using machine now to do all these things. Now China people, they do these things. But if we can do it, let's go ahead and support one another. Mary Edo's, follow her page. After today, I want her to know that love is what we share. She's going to see difference in her followers. I want her to have even only today 1,000 followers. So that she know that everybody who are here on KO Family Program, we all have love. We all have love. Let's share that love to her by following her page and view her video. So watch that particular video about the message to KO Family. Give her some views, give her some like, give her some love. Don't insult her. Okay, you know, people have their way of reasoning. Some people also conclude before knowing the truth. So I am not the one selling. I am helping out to sell my wonderful sister Mary Edo's. Okay, I beg. I not feel judge matter. Well, so everybody go and follow her. Okay, I love you so much, my wonderful sister Mary Edo's. I truly do from the bottom of my heart. Mary Esmas in advance, compliment of the season to my wonderful sister Mary Edo's. Please share this video so that it can get to her. Okay, okay. Not only saga and I will they share. Now love, let love lead. Let love lead. If we have love, we will not be doing saga. If we have love, somebody even talk ill about you. Either you ignore this person or you come and speak opposite of what the person is saying. We don't need quarrel. We don't need fight. Me personally, I need my sleep. I not fish out. You don't understand? So, Jimra Beauty Concept. Don't forget, if you really want to have the same shape as I do, I am actually using all these things because for me it's a great opportunity to use it. The oil, I'm also using it. No, I'm in trying. I'm using it, really. And not only the libido and the 14 days slim me down and the ovulation are not they need. Ovulation booster are not they need. Because I don't want born again, guys. I don't born enough. And the libido. I'm not going to give my organ. Me, I'm not going to take because I don't tire. If you are selling hair, don't tarnish someone's name before you sell yours. Abi? Okay, oh. She is not worthy to follow. I beg, wanna follow her. Well, for my sake, wanna follow her, I beg, though. Wanna follow her, okay? Yeah, forget her bad mouth and do it for KO Family. Yes, do it for me. You know, if you use good to pay evil, that is only when this life will be a better place. If you are using bad to pay bad, then bad not go finish for this world. Let's make a change. You know now, Jesus Christ said it. Jesus Christ said, if you guys go now on social media, I go, they see KO Family, they won't drag my leg, come out. I say, me, I not feel judge matter. I not feel judge matter. All I need is for everybody to investigate me, okay? Go ahead, go to City Grads. It's Ostra, nothing is hidden. Call them, ask, okay? Get a very, very good information. Get a very, very good information about me. Everything I say is, I'm not living a fake life. It's real. Okay, I'm just using my life to motivate others. Even some people wrote me already. A lot of people, even on my private number, said, I never even knew these people are passing through such. This person said she's going nursing school and she has a child and she's been demotivated. He said the way we say people they treat her. Say she wanted to quit her nursing school. Say to God be the glory that I left that motivation speech yesterday. Say she's now more willing. I talked to her. I said I love that. I love that you said I am now willing. She is now willing to put up with it. If I can do it, you can do it. So this is the reason why I actually come here and let us know that it is possible. Everything is possible. No matter what. Like this, my sister Mary Edos, she should just continue to promote her hair, promote your wig, promote. You know, your work will always speak of you. Your job, this expression hair, is going to be recognized. It's going to be famous. Because my expression hair, now they wear that time. Now if first day in Vogue now, who get money for human hair that time? Una don't forget. Una don't forget. Now expression hair, now they in Vogue. So let's go back to expression hair, because if you see all this human hair, them some product, Munachi, I know you want to imitate me. Please, you are making me to shout. I know you want to imitate me. You are doing it good. If you see like all these fashions, there are a lot of fashions, all those Michael Jackson fashion. When I not say come they rain again. That Michael Jackson when leg go big. I remember vividly 20 years ago, now we wear. When I not say this fashion is coming back. Let's patronize Mary Edos. Let's help her. She might even grow and become a company owner. And she will start making this in a very big way. Let's promote her, really. By the time she is extremely busy, she will not have time to even talk about KO family self on live video. She will be excess busy and counting her money. So let us help her. She insults too much. Oh, she insults too much. No, she will not do it again. She's following KO family program. She now know what love is, okay? She will not do it again, okay? Please, really, that expression has no joke. It is good to try it again. Why not? Let's support our own. Let's go and support her, okay? Let's follow her. We are filled up with love. We have excess love. If you know, say, since you be following KO family, say you get excess love, let me be seeing the love. Start pressing love. If you know, say, you don't grow so much love, say the love wait there for your body, they throw away, that you can even give to Mary Edos. Let me see the love. If you know you are going to follow her now and patronize her, let me see the love. Anuli, I know they see your love. Oh. Sister Anuli, what about Yvonne? You are just coming. If you know you are going to follow her right now, please, kindly do, okay? Let me see the love. You know, see our people to get love. See KO family with their plenty love. Una too sabi. Exactly. Look at what I'm talking about. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is kind. Love is forgiving. Love is patient. Love is tolerance. Love is caring. Love is everything. Love does not gossip. Love does not condemn. Love does not bring anybody down. Love does not criticize. Love does not cut anybody down. Let's love ourselves. Let's love you. If you have so much love, you will not hate another. Let's have abundant love, because the Bible said, love your neighbor as yourself. At least that is the maximum you can give. Thank you all so much. Yes, we will see you guys later. Share this video. Patronize Jimra Beauty Concept. I love you guys plenty. Mwah. And for the people that maybe I don't call your name, Chioma, was it not Chioma? She said I don't call your name. Chioma, I call your name. If you are not here, please forgive me. Don't worry even if I call your name or not. Don't worry. You know we have a lot of people. Please, Mona, forgive me. I beg. Mona, not verse. Grace Gold. I don't know. I do call names, but I can't call everybody names. I cannot. Amarachi. Oh, some people would like me to call their names and their names. And I try, guys. Rachel, thank you so much. And people who are supporting us on KO Family Fans, thank you so much. Anuli is supporting us there. I realized that even Isioma, there is this one lady, Isioma, that we even supported at a time when we did giveaway. And she needed something, and she called me behind and said, oh, I needed money. And then we really sent her money. Can you imagine that she's supporting us? It's good to be good, though. It's good to be good, though. It's good to be good. It's good to be good. Even if it's $5. Her name is Isioma. She called us that time and said, Mommy, we need money. I need money very much. This is my condition. No, I said, really? And she started following us newly. That time. I said, you know, Carrie, you are not a top fan. He said, yeah. I said, okay, no problem. we sent her money. I was so surprised to have seen that she's having this supporter badge. She's supporting us. My sister, thank you so much. Caleb, Celeb, Frida, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And whenever you are celebrating, let us know you are a family member. We celebrate your birthday, okay? Especially, but let us know on time and send us your pictures. If there's any name you want us to use, because we have a musician in the house, we'll shout out your name. For the supporters, that is how we're going to celebrate you essentially, you know? All right, thank you all so much. It's good to be good. It's good to be good. It's good to be good. Continue being nice. Forgive. Love one another. So, Mariedos, I love you. I love you. I know you don't need this thing. You be like Mashandi. You're too fine for Africa, okay? All right. Thank you all so much. So, if you still have interest in this braided wig, we still have few. I'm helping her to sell it. I don't know where she got it from. I'm just helping out. You know, we are helping one another. I can't help everybody at once, but the ones that I can help, I can help. You see, one thing I've almost forgotten to say is, like yesterday, somebody left us a message. The person wanted to talk to us, and we gave our number. And then the person left us a voice message, a young lady in Italy. My husband had already asked if she has a document. She said yes, she has a document. And we were actually contemplating in helping before Sister Mariedos left a message with KO family. And I became afraid. We really wanted to invite. I said to my husband by January, or my husband said to me, maybe by January, you know, because me, I said this month she can start coming and she can start living by us, she can work with us, and we can help her. My husband said, why not January? Let the new year start. That was what we concluded last night. When I saw this video and I saw another video that one lady also made with me, I don't want to mention her name, because that one says she won't saga me, she won't cut me, she won't do this, she won't do that. So I better not mention her name because she's not important at all. I became afraid. Say, if I invite this kind of person inside now, who knows whether na saga people, they pay them to come into my life. So please, let's just leave saga aside. I use this opportunity to beg every one of us. But if it is benefiting you, and it is what you love doing, go ahead. Okay, there are some things you are doing, it makes you happy. As long as it's making you happy, go ahead. But to me personally, now my own view be that it's making me afraid. This young lady now of yesterday, I don't dey fear. Because I go dey fear to bring somebody inside to help. And then you will come the video when I go toilet. You will go video when clothes dey ground. You go video when I dey shit. You go video my pints. And no go fit and go give them to somebody for saga. Because even when I listened to the other one that was condemning us, somebody said, saying they follow us, saying they come collect information. The person called. Saying they follow KO family, they can't collect information, make it give saga people. Saying they follow everybody, oh. Say, but you know, they support disease, oh. Say me, are they boast with lawyer. This person is one of our followers. But he's bringing information to people to saga me. I am not interested. I'm too big to start talking with so many people. Love is what I brought. I love you all the presenters, all the social media presenters, public figure. I love you all. I love you all. Really from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. Please share this video. This is the real truth. Oh, everybody, both the bloggers. I love you all. Everybody have their heads. Your face not be my face. Okay? So I'm afraid that my sister, I have to disappoint you. Because actually we are needing someone who can help us to act. We have a lot of content, but we need. But I'm afraid that maybe tomorrow now, you'll come video me where I naked. Because I be naked for Africa, guys. I be naked. I not be the type when they wear clothes, they sleep. Before somebody will come video me, carry me, go social media. Okay? Thank you all so much. That is it. I'm sorry about that. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. Bye-bye, guys. Mary Edos, I love you all. The presenters, I love you all. The bloggers, I love you. And Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas in advance. I pray 2022 is going to be better than 2021. I pray God will bless us all in the mighty name of Jesus. If you are not yet monetized, I pray that your page will be monetized from now till December, if not beginning of next year, in the mighty name of Jesus. Nothing God cannot do. What God cannot do does not exist. Me, Mabel K. Osifo, I love you all the presenters. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. 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 Say love is a beautiful thing. Say love is a beautiful thing. Say love is a beautiful thing. Say don't get it twisted. Say don't get it twisted.